Dates, the healthiest fruit on the planet that can cure many diseases. Wonderfully delicious, dates are one of the most popular fruits, packed with an impressive list of essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that are required for normal growth, development and overall well-being. Fresh dates compose of soft, easily digestible flesh and simple sugars like fructose and dextrose. When eaten, they replenish energy and revitalize the body instantly. Health benefits of eating 3 dates per day. Dates have high nutritional value. Dates are a good source of various vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of energy, sugar and fiber. Essential minerals such as calcium, iron, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, magnesium and zinc are found in dates. It also contains vitamins such as thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folate, vitamin A and vitamin K. So, you don't need to take additional vitamins. They improve digestion. These sweet and amazing fruits are the perfect solution for many types of digestive problems, such as constipation, indigestion, etc. They are also extremely useful and beneficial for preventing colon cancer. Dates are loaded with insoluble and soluble fibers, as well as many beneficial amino acids which can stimulate the digestion of food and make it more efficient, meaning that more nutrients will be absorbed by the digestive tract and into your body for proper usage. Dates as an analgesic. Dates are loaded with magnesium, and because of that they have the ability to reduce swelling and relieve pain. Magnesium can even reduce the arterial inflammation and prevent the risk of getting heart damage, and other infections in the human body. Dates for healthy pregnancy. A study performed by a group of researchers has discovered how the date fruit impacted labor parameters and delivery outcomes. After studying 69 women for 1 year, the researchers found that the consumption of date fruit in the last 4 weeks before labor showed evidence that dates can make delivery less painful, and that they are extremely beneficial in losing weight after pregnancy. Dates as a medicine for high blood pressure and stroke. Dates are a rich source of potassium, which studies have shown to reduce the risk of stroke and other heart-related diseases. Furthermore, they are suggested as a healthy and delicious way to reduce the levels of LDL cholesterol in the body, which is a major contributing factor heart attacks, heart disease, and stroke. Several different studies, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 100 mg of magnesium daily can decrease the risk of stroke by 10%. Dates improve the function of the heart. Well, dates are loaded with healthy nutrients which can improve the brain activity and promote good heart health. You may know that with proper vitamin B6 intake, you can significantly improve brain functions, including brain focus, alertness, accuracy and memory. We really hope you enjoyed this post, people, and please make sure you share it with your friends and family. Thank you.